We're here representing the art of Eskrima Serrata. A little bit about a history. In 1966, the late Grandmaster Adrian Cabales opened up a school in Stockton, California. That was the first school of Eskrima in the United States. So some have called him the father of Eskrima in the United States. Our teacher, the Honorable Professor Sultan Adini, created the International Eskrima Serrata Association in 1989. Told me to teach the martial arts to anyone, regardless of race, color, or creed. What we're about to show you is a few tidbits of our basic curriculum, and we hope you enjoy it. What we're going to do is do a demonstration. Both instructors, Charbel Palayo and Ray Arbad, will demonstrate the 12 angles of attack. Keep in mind, this is a blade-oriented art, but we use sticks for safety. So what we're going to do is deliver angle 1. Angle 2, backhand. Angle 3, angle 4, reverse slice. Angle 5 is a thrust. Angle 6 is a thrust to the left shoulder. Angle 7 is a thrust to the right shoulder. Angle 8 is a high slice. Angle 9 is a slice to the right knee to the left shoulder. Angle 10 is a combination 1-2 strike. Angle 11 is reverse slash, left knee to right shoulder. And angle 12 is matador thrust, which can simulate a grab or a choke. Okay? So with each of these angles, there is typically 3 to 5 defensive counters. What we'll do is ray up. There you go. Okay, so there's a basic counter for angle 1. That's the outside counter. That's the inside counter. Angle 2. Sweep. Angle 2. Payon or umbrella. Angle 3. Elastico. 3-point pass. Angle 4. Punch block. Flip block, angle 5, sweep, cross block, angle 6 cross block, inside block. Okay, good. We're going to cover angles 7 through 12 now. Instructor Charbel Palayo, Ray Arbad will also take over that. So it's angle 7, inside. Outside counter. Angle 8. Punch block. Flip block. Angle 9, punch block. Downward block. Angle 10. Inside block. Cross block. Angle 11. 3-point pass. Angle 11. Punch block. Angle 12. Outside block with an outside pass with a stab. And outside pass with a slice. Okay, this art, our art focuses primarily on working in close quarters. When the late Grandmaster Adrian Cabales developed this system, he wanted to focus on a fighting style that people had problems learning, and that was fighting in close. Usually with weapons, people tend to move to the side or move back. What we tend to do is try to come in and cut the person off before they can actually deliver.
All right, at around angle 6, there's a drill that students start to learn that we call counter for counter. In other styles, they might call it sparring or free-flowing. But this basically allows a student to learn how to recognize when certain blows are coming in, react, and counter each blow. None of these movements are preset. Each of these two are just reacting to each other's movements. All right, that's counter for counter. Now, I know a lot of the questions that people ask, especially with weapon-based arts, is what do you do when you don't have a stick? You know, when there's no weapons. Well, in our art, we do have an empty hand set. We translate all the entries that we have with our weapon and do it without a weapon. Okay, so we'll demonstrate right now basic movement for angle 1 with the sticks. That's how it looks with the sticks. And now without the sticks. Empty hand set, go. Again, with another blow. Alright, angle number 2. Now the empty hand. Again, angle 3. Without the stick. Okay.
We'd like to thank you all. That was just a small demonstration of what we have to offer. Currently we have classes in Oakland. That's under Guru Charbel Palayo. We have instruction available in the Albany, Richmond area with Guru Ray Abad. I teach in San Francisco. If you have any questions, feel free to come by and ask us any questions whatsoever. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hold on 1 second, Scott.